OpenAI Sora is the most talked about AI video generator in the world. It creates videos from text, brings images to life, and can extend or remix existing footage. In this video I cover every feature, how to write prompts that get great results, full pricing breakdown, what it cannot do yet, and my honest comparison with Runway ML and Midjourney video. Sora is OpenAI's AI video generation model. It uses a diffusion transformer architecture that was trained on a large dataset of licensed video footage. You describe what you want to see in text and Sora generates video that matches your description. Unlike earlier AI video tools that were limited to 3 to 4 second clips with poor coherence, Sora generates up to 20 seconds of video with consistent characters, physics, and scene continuity throughout. Every feature. Text to video, describe scene, camera movement, style, and mood in as much detail as you want. Image to video, upload any still image and Sora adds realistic motion. Video to video remix, change the visual style or setting of existing footage. Video extension, add more time to any video. Storyboard for planning multi-scene films with consistent characters. Blend for merging two videos. Loop for seamless looping content. And recut to regenerate specific sections of a video you are not happy with. Prompting Sora effectively is very different from prompting a chatbot. The best prompts describe 4 things in this order. 1. The subject and what they are doing. 2. The setting and environment. 3. The camera angle and movement. 4. The visual style and mood. Example, a middle-aged woman walking through a Tokyo market at golden hour, slow motion, close-up on her face, cinematic shallow depth of field, warm color grade. The more specific the camera and style details, the better the result. Sora's current limitations. Text in videos is frequently illegible. Sora struggles to render readable words on signs and screens. Human hands and fingers are still an occasional problem. Very complex physics interactions like liquid dynamics can look wrong. Videos longer than 20 seconds require stitching multiple generations together. And faces of specific real people cannot be generated. Sora has safety filters that block this. Sora is included with ChatGPT Plus at $20 a month, 50 priority videos per month in 720p or 1080p, 5 concurrent generations, 20-second maximum. Pro at $200 gives 500 priority videos, unlimited relaxed generations, 4K resolution option, and 10 concurrent generations. API pricing is per second of video generated. Check the current rates at platform.openai.com. Comparing Sora to Runway ML and Midjourney video. Sora leads on scene coherence and character consistency throughout a video. Runway ML generates faster and allows videos up to 40 seconds. Runway also has more granular editing controls for professional workflows. Sora is included in ChatGPT Plus, making it good value if you already pay for it. Sora uses more natural language prompting versus Runway's structured approach. Best for storytelling, Sora. Best for professional video editing workflows, Runway ML. Most content creators end up using both. Try Sora at Sora.com. It is included with ChatGPT Plus at Chat.com. API access at platform.openai.com. If you want to compare it with Runway ML, that is at runwayml.com. All links are in the description. Subscribe for more AI tool reviews every week.